and then put Euro New Zealand here, and go on the daily, and then look at the same thing. Okay, we had a huge up candle, and then we have two down candles here. We had one, and then we had two up candles, and then they sent it down and then rejected and then went higher. That's same thing. Okay, so we could get this thing to just tear up, take out this equal high, but for now this low is the next upside objective. Let's see if we can get a pullback during the day. Actually, I cannot. It won't show, so I need to go back here. Yeah, I still have it there anyway. Right. So our upside objective for now is this down candle's wick, and then if we go through that, the last up candle. So if you do get a retracement, it's just grinding up gradually without any pullback. On this one, it's quite hard to get an entry. And then the way it's going up to is just not nice. Yeah, all the down candles are being respected. If you notice, that's what we call institutional order flow. Institutional order flow is when the down candles are being respected. So every down candle you see here is being respected. Yeah, every one of them. And then once they breach one, that's a stop run. So this is the one that I was talking about, that at the moment I'm not confident using it yet, because once I see this, I start looking for sells because we've broken down. But this is another good area to be a buyer when we are bullish. Okay, when you are bullish, you can look for this, we call it turtle soup. I don't know if you've heard about it before. I don't know where they've got the name from, but yeah, turtle soup. That low you buy here, but it's a bit tricky. You need to train yourself a lot to do that. So looking at the 15 minutes, the fact that they've just run these stops, we could get a buy from here for a continuation to the upside with a stop below this low. Okay, today being Thursday, it could be the high of the week and they could retrace, so I will be cautious, but it is what it is. You can take it and then see what happens. So you could be rewarded handsomely with a small position on a demo account, okay, to see how it goes. If we break back down here, then I think we will be coming back down to rebalance some of this move to the upside. So a little gap in here. So if we break down, if that stops out, then that's the level to consider again for another long, because we are bullish. I don't see that happening, but in case it does, you've got that in your cards, right?